Hello everyone, this is part 7 of organic chemistry, and in this video we are going to deal with hydrocarbons. In this video we will cover following topics. First, definition of hydrocarbons. Second, difference between saturated and unsaturated organic compounds. And third, general characteristics of alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. First of all, covering definition of hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are organic compounds which are made up of only hydrogen and carbon atoms. Hydrocarbons can be open chain aliphatic type or closed chain alicyclic or aromatic type. In open chain aliphatic type, they may be simply straight chain compounds or branch chain compounds. For alicyclic closed chain compounds, at least 3 carbon atoms are required. Aromatic type of hydrocarbons contain one or more than one benzene ring. If hydrocarbons contain carbon-carbon single bonds, then that fall in the category of saturated hydrocarbons. And if the compound contain carbon-carbon multiple bonds, then it will be either double bonded or triply bonded. Both these doubly bonded and triply bonded compounds fall in the category of unsaturated hydrocarbons. Now covering differences between saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. First characteristic is type of bond. In case of saturated organic compounds, there is presence of carbon-carbon single covalent bonds. In case of unsaturated organic compounds, there is presence of carbon-carbon multiple bonds, either double bond or triple bond. Second property is valency of carbon atom. In case of saturated organic compounds, all the leftover valencies of carbon atoms are satisfied by hydrogen atoms with the help of single covalent bonds. In case of unsaturated organic compounds, the valencies of at least 2 carbon atoms forming the multiple bond are left unsatisfied by hydrogen atoms, as at these sites double or triple bonds are present. Third property is reactivity. Saturated compounds are less reactive in nature because of the non-availability of electrons in the single covalent bond, and that is why they undergo characteristic substitution reactions. Unsaturated hydrocarbons are more reactive in nature because of the availability of electrons in the double or triple covalent bond, and that is why they undergo characteristic addition reactions. Now covering general characteristics of alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. First characteristic is covalent bond. In case of alkane, carbon-carbon single covalent bonds are present. In case of alkene, at least one carbon-carbon double bond are present. In case of alkyne, at least one carbon-carbon triple bonds are present. Second one is on the basis of nature of the compound. Alkanes are saturated hydrocarbons because of the presence of carbon-carbon single bonds. alkenes are unsaturated hydrocarbons because of the presence of multiple bonds, whereas alkynes are unsaturated hydrocarbons because of the presence of triple bonds. Third property is general formula. In case of alkane, general formula is CnH2n plus 2, where N denotes number of carbon atom in the compound. In case of alkene, general formula is CnH2n. And in case of alkyne, general formula is CnH2n minus 2. Fourth one is primary suffix. In case of alkane, primary suffix is -ane. In case of alkene, primary suffix is -ene. And in case of alkyne, primary suffix is -ine. Now covering general type of reactions. Since alkanes are saturated hydrocarbons, they undergo substitution reaction. Since alkene and alkynes are unsaturated hydrocarbons, they undergo addition reactions. Substitution reactions take place by displacement of one or more than one atoms of the compound. And addition reaction take place at the site of multiple bonds, that is double bond or triple bond. Thank you for watching this video. Please like the video, share it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.